Hello everyone, welcome to Learning UAE, your ultimate channel for mastering English in a fun and easy way. Today we are diving into something super important sentence. From understanding what they are exploring that four types in this class will help you improve your English in one on time. So today we learn about word and sentence. Today learning objective we can make sentence, we can identify the type of sentence, we can use that sentence in our daily life. So let's start our lesson. So every day we will learn some word. If that one you can use our daily life. So today first word is what, second how, third when, fourth where, fifth am, sixth is, seventh are, eight student, nine teacher, 10 school, 11 breakfast, 12 my, 13 me, 14 I, 15 we, 16 us. These all words we can use our daily life English conversation. Now, what is a sentence? Definition: a sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. It typically contains a subject and a predicate, beginning with a capital letter. Its much should be. The key is that every time we should use capital word when one sentence will be started, and end with a periodic comma and quotient for use question mark. An exclamatory sentence we will use exclamation sign. Must have a subject or verb. It means when we make a sentence, subjects and verb is main theme in our sentence. Like example, the sun is rise in the west. It means here the sun is subject and rising is verb and in the object. Object is optional in sentence. Other example, are you coming to the party? Are you coming to the party? Here, are you? It's verb and no, it's object coming. It's verb and to the party is object. Type of sentence. Actually, sentence are different type. So, our first type is directive sentence. Directive those sentences are make a statement. These are called directive sentence. The formula of directive sentence: subject plus verb plus object. Before I said object is optional, but you need for making beautiful a sentence you can use object. The example: she loves reading book. She loves is object. Subject, sorry, and reading is verb and book is object. The train arrives at 6 p.m. The train is subject, arrives is verb, and at 6 p.m. is object. Interrogative sentence. The definition: those sentences ask a question. These are called interrogative sentence. The formula: auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus sign. Explain: what time is it? What time is the meeting? Have you completed the assignment? Here question mark is must. If you don't put question mark, your sentence will be made wrong. Imperative sentence definition gives a command, request, or instruction. Those sentence gives command, request, and instruction. Those are called imperative sentence. Formula: subject, verb, and object. Explain: please open the window. Stop talking. In first example, we can say please. It's request. One person he requests other person, please open the window. And second one also order. Please stop. Exclamatory sentence. Definition: explaining expression strong emotion and exclamation. Those sentences experience strong emotion or excitement. These are called exclamation sentences. Formula: what, how, plus subject, plus verb, plus exclamatory sign. Example: how wonderful this day is. So that like you can make explanatory sentence. We, for your help, we make a chart summary if you can understand like that. So directive sentence, the purpose make a sentence, simple sentence, the formula subject plus verb plus object. Example: subject she reads book. Interrogative sentence asks a question, asks plus a subject plus main verb with question mark. Where is my pen? Imperative: give a command, you and verb plus object, close the door. Exclamatory: showing strong emotion, watch how, subject, verb, and exclamatory sign. What a surprise! Today practice activity is you need to practice this one. Identify the type of sentence. This type is your homework. And second is create an example for each type of sentence. Please complete this work HW and send me through the email and I will check your answer and send you back your answer. Today exit clip, you make your exit clip. 3 things you will learn today and 2 things you want to learn about more and ask a question. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and like, share and press the bell icon. Your subscribe make me motivated to make more video. So stay with me for learn English easily and I will try to make your self improve your English spoken. Thank you very much to watching my video. Thank you.